Get your diamonds out, shake the windows, climb the walls, take a moment, steal a kiss. What is love if not let's go soiree? Get your diamonds out, uptown secrets get around, downtown people shut it down.
So, Lauren, we've been working together for, is it 4 months, maybe?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
4 months, yes. So I just wanted to ask you what what inspired you to reach out and look for lessons with me?
So it was definitely I found your TikToks and I found them so interesting because I think one of the things you kept talking about was tension and how to kind of effortlessly reach notes without tension. And as someone with, let's say, anxiety and other things, my throat has always felt super tense and
Yeah.
trying to, figure out different ways to release it. I've tried a lot of things over the years and this has worked in a much different way.
Wow, that's fantastic. So what do you think has been the main thing that, like, so you've worked with, I think you mentioned you've worked with other voice coaches before
Mhm.
and obviously got some really interesting breakthrough, but what do you
Yeah.
feel like was the significant thing in working with me that helped you?
I think it was the way we talked about um, finding it in my kind of anatomy and also understanding the terminology because understanding the terminology is actually, I wouldn't even say it like that. It's more like I think people use words to describe a feeling, and it's really hard to put that into words because it's almost subjective. And so I
Yeah.
think the way it worked with you, like you did it in a way where I could understand, I think, a little bit better or easier what you were
Mm,
talking about, and you could kind of work with what I was trying to understand. And it also, and I could feel it. And I think you had exercises that allowed me to feel what we were talking about so we could be on the same page a little bit easier.
right. Yeah, I like that. I think the other thing too that came up a couple of times is that we often hear a lot about singing forward, putting all the notes forward. But if we don't understand what's going on at the back, often it can just feel like it's not happening.
Mhm.
Did you find
Yeah,
that?
yeah, I did find that, like, because I think in trying to sing so far forward at times, I think if anything, it actually, I don't know if it added to my tension, but it may have, because I was focused so strongly up here and in this like part of area of my mouth that I it sometimes didn't even feel natural. Um,
Wow.
and you could kind of work with what I was trying to understand. And it also, and I could feel it. And I think you had exercises that allowed me to feel what we were talking about so we could be on the same page a little bit easier.
Right. Yeah, I like that. I think the other thing too that came up a couple of times is that we often hear a lot about singing forward, putting all the notes forward. But if we don't understand what's going on at the back, often it can just feel like it's not happening.
Hmm.
Did you find
Yeah,
that?
yeah, I did find that, like, because I think in trying to sing so far forward at times, I think if anything, it actually, I don't know if it added to my tension, but it may have, because I was focused so strongly up here and in this like part of area of my mouth that I it sometimes didn't even feel natural.
It's amazing. And so, what has been the main benefit of working with me for your voice and your singing? You're performing a lot at the moment.
I'm performing a lot. I'm also recording a lot. I think what I've found
Mm,
is that I've been able to, especially write and then record pretty much immediately, even really high sections, which is where I
wow.
would always struggle before. Like I would have to work really hard in order to be able to sing something. And I think being able to have tools that get me into the right placement really easily. I don't have to like, it's not
Mm.
thinking, it's not, it's just I get in the right placement um, right away, then I can execute easier, and that's really nice. And it's simpler too in a lot of ways.
So you're finding you're hitting the higher notes in areas much easier now?
I am, yeah, totally.
I love that. The other thing I want to ask about is the talking side of things, because I think a lot of
Mm,
singers and people that are singing don't realize how much their talking voice
yeah.
affects their singing and even
Mhm.
allergies. So is there any of those things that have kind of clicked for you?
Yeah, I think because I you gave me exercises to do that I could do throughout the day that I think
Yeah.
just got me into the right placement for my talking voice, and I've noticed that my
Mm,
talking voice has improved a lot because of that, because I was
um,
in the right placement there. And for sure. Yeah, I mean, I appreciate all the work we did on figuring out, okay, my allergies are acting up, like this is happening. How do we put it all together?
Mm,
And of course, because that all has an impact. Like, how can you sing
yeah.
through a super allergic reaction or something?
It is amazing how much that allergies, a lot of people, doesn't feel like it's really affecting it. But once you get rid of the swelling, the difference and the consistency maybe in the voice is so good.
Yeah.
Okay, wonderful. Anything else? I'm trying to think what else we've gone through.
I know there's so many good things, but I mean, I think, I'm so grateful you put me in touch with that amazing, like physio, basically. I don't know what to
Yeah,
call
yeah.
her.
Voice,
That
speech therapist.
speech therapist, exactly. And I think in a way that helped me figure out exactly what was happening and a way, like, and ways to fix it. I just feel like we kind of diagnosed an issue and able to get through it, which is amazing.
Yeah, I think the thing of actually getting the video of inside what's going on, particularly
Mhm.
with some long-term things that you'd had physiologically, and getting that clarity. So we took away all the guesswork, got the clarity from an expert from internal as well as external. I find that just fast tracks everything, and you're not always wondering. Yeah, she's amazing. I'm
Yeah,
so glad. So you're gigging this Friday.
I
Excited.
am. Yes, thank you. Very
And
excited.
you're
Yeah.
amazing because you've got a day job and then you um highlight at night as what's your artist name called?
Shimshia, it's Ximxia. Well, that's one of them, and my other is Daisy LaFontaine.
Daisy
So,
Lofting. We can put your links, can we, in
of
the
course,
bio?
yeah, yeah, of course.
Yay. And then
Thanks.
one of your songs has gone out on Spotify this
Uh-huh.
month. It's doing really well. Which song's
Yeah,
that
I've got
one?
I've got a ton of stuff out on Spotify, but I've got one song that made the Spotify editorial playlist from Daisy LaFontaine. It's called Freak, and it's on the Spotify editorial playlist for Electro Swing, which was very exciting. Like that's such a fun
Oh
thing to
my
get.
goodness, that's
Yeah.
exciting. We'll put the link in the bio for that as well. I'm so
Thanks.
excited. And you're going to put some video footage up of some of your gigs as well.
Yeah, for sure. For sure.
Yay, wonderful. It's been so wonderful working with you. Excited about the future, lots of things happening. But I love that you're finding that things are getting easier, that high notes feeling easier, feel more in control. I think we're working on dairy at the moment
Yes. Oh, yeah.
and
That's the other thing.
steaming. And
Yeah.
I would love you to just quickly chat about the cup
Mm.
and
Yeah.
the uglies, how they've helped.
Yeah. So honestly, the cup and the uglies are like the two of the tools that I use on a regular basis, both throughout the day to get me. I use mostly the uglies throughout the day to get me in the right placement, even though I'm talking or trying to sing or needing to do that. But I think what's so cool is both the uglies and the cup. When I'm singing, if I'm a little bit off, I can just pop one of those in and then I'm immediately in the right placement, or even sometimes just even think about the ugly and it just like pops me in a little bit.
Oh
So
my
that's it's
goodness.
really, yeah, it's cool how that happens.
I love that. Now, have any family or friends noticed the difference with your voice? I know it hasn't been long, but yes.
Yeah, that's a good question. I'm sure that I honestly, yeah, actually, no, my boyfriend definitely has. So that's been cool. Yeah.
That is so good. And so, what would you say to anyone that might be interested in getting some training and just going to that next level with their voice?
Oh my gosh, totally. It's always worth it. I mean, for me, I always say the more you learn, the better it is. So like
Mm,
try it out because if it works for you, you take what works and it'll what's there to lose? There's nothing to lose. It's fantastic.
I love that because I think some people, like I've noticed online, they're doing a lot of the videos and they're kind of getting close to it. But I think I'm really realizing, as you would have, when you've got that coach just resetting you every week, because some of them, like we do something and you'd be in, and then 3 days later you go, oh, that's right, I forgot about that. Like it's that learning a whole new skill and having that reset to really learn how to get into that new area does
Yeah.
sometimes need a guide and a coach.
Totally. And for me personally, I need the accountability. I think, I grew up playing classical piano, so I was so used to going to lessons every week or a couple times a week. And so there's something to be said for knowing, oh, okay, I've got a lesson on Friday. I better practice this or
Yeah,
whatever it is.
yeah. To get
Yeah.
that goals, that's right. And I think a lot of people spend years in frustration and sometimes like with the wrong person. Like my story where I went, no one could work out what was going on with me, and then I finally found someone that could. um that, yeah, sometimes you've got to shake it up a bit as well. But I love that. Thank you so much, beautiful.
Oh my
I've
God,
loved
thank you,
working with
Angie. I'm so
you.
grateful.
And
Yeah, I love you too.
yes, we'll put the links in the bio so you can check out Lauren's
Oh, thank
songs
you,
and all that
Angie.
sort of thing and support her. Have
Mm,
fun on Friday at the gig. I can't wait to see the videos.
so appreciate it. Thank you. It's been really fun.
Wonderful. Okay, thanks, beautiful. See you later.
Thanks, Angie.